Hey guys, Mark from the Bent Spoon, and I want to let you know I'm going to be out at Raven Dove Market Days, June 12th through the 15th. That's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in Marshfield, Missouri.